Guys, it's Monday morning, April 7th, and we got the electrician and the plumbers here today. So we got the utilities marked here in several spots, but it's kind of a landmine, so hopefully it goes well today. And we're gonna bring the water line down from there all the way to the robot barn here. So we've got to cross a lot of things, but he's got a good locator, so hopefully we'll miss everything. Only one way to find out. So I just about got it all trenched here. They went up there and found the water line. Now they're going to bring that in across the road there. But on the way here, they found the electric line that was going to the creamery. And that is 2 water lines, an electric line. Apparently all got put in the trench back 30 years ago. That's for the Knoll milk line. So. Anyway, so far we haven't torn too much up. Empty out at. Bring it all the way down here. Got a couple clean outs up there. Couple clean outs here. It's Wednesday, April 9th, I believe, and I think it's dried up enough here that we're turning the cows back out on this 80 acres of rye, so. Should get few weeks of grazing out here before we need to plant soybeans out here, but this will help the grass get a little bit more of a head start. And it looks like I got 2 or 3 cows that are not the smartest. They couldn't figure out how to go around that fence to get out here, so guess I gotta go get them. Pour some concrete today. Walking the cows around the barn tonight for what should be the last time. So they're kind of having a heyday out there playing in the dirt, trying to munch on what little bit of grass they can reach. Got a couple strands of polywire up there, so hopefully they behave themselves. So we're spraying wheat, terminating this cover crop of wheat, 30-inch wheat, a head of corn. So John will come in here the next couple of days and he will plant corn right in between these rows of wheat. So, doesn't work too bad. Here's our guidance. We use Ag Leader. And anyway, got our boom control there. Got 5 different sections that automatically shut off. Works good. And then we got Ag Leader steady steer for our auto steer. So, doesn't work too bad. And this full type sprayer, it's 1,600 gallon tank with 80-foot booms, so it works real good for burn down, but it works good for what way you want to use it for. So, guys, we're back here on Saturday. Spring has sprung, so we're getting some field work done now. I'm gonna go do some spraying today, and John's gonna start doing some planting. Him and Eli are over there right now, getting the planter filled up, putting soybeans in. But anyway, the guys came back yesterday and they pulled the forms off the concrete here, and Got those all pulled off. This turned out pretty nice here. Worked out pretty good. So anyway, if I get time here later before milking tonight, if I get spraying done in time, I'll come back here and probably get this routed to where the cows can come back through here tonight and start using this again. So anyway, the Laley guys weren't able to get out here this week. They had a personal matter pop up and weren't able to get out here, but they said they're going to be here on Monday, and they should be here all week with 3 guys, it sounds like. So hopefully they'll get all their stuff done. The electrician came back and got his stuff a couple days in and did some stuff back there and kind of getting stuff worked in. But Bryce came in here this week and stained the office. I think it looks good. So, and then Nathan came in here and I helped him a little bit in between some other stuff I was doing, and Bryce helped him too. But we got the bathroom, the stereo board put in here in the bathroom, and I think it turned out real nice. So anyway, that's kind of what we got done this week. So next week, hopefully the Laley guys will be here. We're getting to where we're gonna be doing a lot more field work and stuff, getting planting done and doing that stuff. So anyway, we'll see how that goes. But anyway, I think that's it for this week. We'll see you guys later.